Check it out. In this video, I'm going to share how you can make life-changing income by leveraging the power of the internet, primarily YouTube and affiliate marketing. And even better, I'm going to talk about a brand new contest that you can enter and actually make thousands of dollars, even if you don't generate a lot of affiliate sales and more. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brian G. Johnson. I've been an online internet marketer for many years. Over 20 years, I've generated millions of dollars, and I've been a YouTuber driving over 13 million views for 8 years or so, a long time. And it's my pleasure to tell you about this new contest that's being run by the folks over at Opus Clip. Now, I've been a brand partner with Opus for a long time because I love the product. I see so many powerful features that affiliates are using, that YouTubers are using to move forward. And again, I wanted to talk today about this affiliate contest. And what's so amazing is, if you're already an affiliate, you know the power of affiliate marketing. If you're just getting started or you've never really made any money with affiliate marketing, you might think, it just doesn't seem like it ever pans out. Why is that? In this video, I'm going to break it down. And again, I want to share some details on an affiliate contest that no matter what, if you're a YouTuber, you can leverage, you can take advantage of to generate sales and affiliate commissions, income, and in doing so, you'll become eligible for the affiliate contest. So first up, there's a link in this video description that really talks about the affiliate contest, what it's all about, and I'm gonna go over that now and talk a little bit about how it works and why you should definitely pay attention to this. Even better, if you're publishing videos to YouTube, you could be using Opus Clip right now to generate shorts like I've done, shorts that have gained my channel subscribers, generated income, helped me grow, bring in new viewers, and so on. Enter this contest and your affiliate commissions through Opus Clip will go from 25% to 40%. If you generate a handful of sales, you'll actually then be eligible for free Opus Clip for a 2-month period. And if you generate $1,000 worth of affiliate revenue, you'll be eligible to receive Opus Clip for a period of 1 year, and even better, you'll be sharing the news about a powerful tool. Now, if you don't know what Opus Clip is, it's a powerful tool that edits long-form videos or live streams into shorts. It does it really seamlessly, very fast, and it's simple to use. Again, check the link in the description for more details. But I need to warn you, if you think you've got to be a huge YouTube creator in order to generate prizes and cash and more, you don't. There's actually a number of categories that will allow small creators and creators that are really creative in coming up with interesting ideas the ability to win cash prizes regardless of how many sales they generate. Again, check out the link in the description. Now, I want to talk about why I think you should really think about leveraging the power of affiliate marketing. And this video is for really those people that absolutely have to make serious income with their YouTube channel online somehow. The first thing I want to say is that the moment you decide that, I have to make that money, you want to step back and just create a plan, have a strategy that will allow you to achieve that result. For me, it's always been by identifying one target market, like an audience on YouTube, and then looking at what kind of products and services they're gonna buy. So for example, when I started this channel many years ago, 8 years ago, I knew I would want to figure it out for myself. That's where it always begins, me tinkering and generating results I'm proud of, and then sharing how I've done that. And then over time, looking at the kind of products and services, right, that my audience would be interested in buying. And this applies to so many niches on YouTube. And you definitely have a niche within you that you could do this with. For example, if you're really big into gardening, well, people probably buy plants and books on gardening and maybe even courses. They probably would be wanting to learn what kind of seeds to buy, what kind of tools to have, and all of these things you could talk about on your channel to make money without really being salesy or pushy, but just sharing your experience. And people absolutely love that, especially when you're real, when you only talk about products and services you love. So that's really the first step, is getting really clear on one specific audience you want to target. I think a lot of people struggle because they get started and they just want to do YouTube for fun, which is awesome. That's totally great. But when you want to make money, then I think it's really important to value like what you're trying to get out of it. Are you trying to have fun, or are you trying to make life-changing money? For me, it's always been in the middle, sort of, but I've always kind of leaned towards generating income, being able to quit my job, which has allowed me so much freedom, and affiliate marketing has done just that. Number two, the second biggest tip I can give you is I always try to give away really great information without asking for any money. Now, this is super powerful, and a lot of people think, well, people must try to, hold their best secrets back, and they don't want to reveal the best ways to make money. But what I found is when I've shared real methods with real people and they've put those into action, or they've seen how powerful my ideas are, then they're really excited to think about what would happen if I actually worked with Brian. What would happen if I bought a PDF, a report, or something more? And that's something that's super powerful, because then people see the value you're bringing to their life without asking for any kind of money at all. For example, this is really powerful when you have a product launch and you give away great information at the beginning just to let people know what the product or service is about, which I've done many times, and it's always ended up generating me hundreds of thousands of dollars. And it's not about manipulation, it's really just trying to lead with value. Super powerful. Number three is not always trying to sell, but just trying to, again, share the ideas, the strategies, the tips and tactics. Let's talk about gardening, for example. You could have some videos talking about products and services and you earn, but what if a lot of videos are just about how to, the tips, the tactics, what I've learned about growing tomatoes, what I've learned about container gardening or more. The more you simply try to create videos that are based in value, the more likely you grow an audience. And as people watch more and more of your videos over time, then those individuals are going to develop trust for you, which will help you to move forward and eventually make money by sharing those tips and tactics and those reviews of products and services. Number three is, before you get started, when you're really serious about making full-time income, to ensure others are doing the thing you're going to do. Because you don't want to try to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to spend all the time building up a channel only to find out it's really hard to make money. So when gamers are like making videos based on Let's Plays and whatnot, that's a very hard model unless you're driving millions and millions, hundreds of millions of views every single month. You can make so much more when you target products and services and an audience that would be interested in specific products and services. Like right now, I'm looking at this Sony camera that I'm filming into. I've got a microphone I could review. I could talk about a product or a service like Opus Clip, TubeBuddy, and more. All of these things are really powerful and are in alignment with things my audience members, maybe not you, but some of them would be interested in. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. What I can share is this: when you get started in affiliate marketing, you can absolutely make life-changing income. Now, this video on the screen now will help you to move forward, grow a channel, drive even more views, and who knows, maybe make millions of dollars along the way. Click that video and I'll see you there.